Alright guys. Guys, there's a huge storm apparently here in Virginia right now. You can hear the winds. Oh my gosh. The winds come over here. Yeah, the winds are crazy. Good thing nothing fell on the rally yard. Like, get some like crap on it. You have the tree branch here, but I don't think it hit anything. Should be good. It even knocked down the cone. Okay. Yep, I mean, it looks like nothing hit it really. Get some white crap around. Don't know where that came from. But the winds are so crazy, guys. There was this huge storm, if you guys didn't know. Okay, that's a big scratch right there. Better be bird poop. Alright, let's get in, guys. It's windy. I gotta head to work. But good beautiful morning, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your morning. But if you guys are like in the East Coast or somewhere nearby, you guys are feeling this wind, like it's crazy. Last night it was like raining crazy. Good thing it happened overnight, not in daytime. But there are still some pretty hard winds out there. Like, look at the over there, like you see how great the sky is, and then the trees moving so much. Alright, I'm gonna get going, guys. I gotta get going. You got some tree branches right here. The winds are crazy, guys. My car's literally moving. Alright, I gotta get going to work. Alright, I parked in a good spot. Y'all saw that, right? That's not good. Well, whatever, guys. I'm just going before my other door breaks. Look who we parked next to, guys. Freaking an SI. Let me jump. Dude, this SI is so nice. Oh, nice. We're in Chipotle, guys. I'm gonna buy my mom some food. Then I gotta go home. Oh look, I got some frappe, which is horrible for you. Let's go buy some more food that's bad for us. Unless you're broken, which is good. You guys hearing all this? Let me take you guys outside and see how it is. How bad it is. You see all big trees over there? I feel like this is literally going to fly out on my hand because of how windy it is. Oh, beautiful outside. Look at the spoiler it got. Alright, let's go, guys. I'm scared it's going to open again and freaking break its door or something. Alright. Well, let's go home, guys. Got my mom some food. One bowl for my mom. Let's get it. Let's go home. More sport mode. Black. Alright, let's go. God, look at those trees. Dude, like, I'm not even kidding. I turned off my camera for a second, and then I had like a bunch of debris just like falling right in my door.